And good news, folks, it looks like we found him. So there's a gentleman outside where he's staying, so he's gone in to look for him. So fingers crossed, he's going to be happy to see me and he remembers me. And here he is, Mr. Rashindo Das. আমাকে চিনতে পারেন, আমি আপনার ছবি তুলছিলাম 6-7 বছর আগে। আমি আপনাকে ছবি দিছি। He's going to go and get changed into his famous red clothing. So he's gotten changed and we're going to go into better lighting so I can talk to him properly. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen, the moment I've waited over 6 years for, to be reunited with my old friend, Mr. Rashindo Das. কেমন আছো?
ভালো
ভালো। আপনি খুশি হইছেন নি আমি আপনারে?
আমি খুব খুশি হইছি। আপনি দেখেতে আমি আইলো আসন থেকে উঠতে।
আমাকে চিনছো না আগে থেকে? ও অন্ধকারের জন্য নিয়ে। আর এরপরে বাতি জ্বালাইছে, এরপরে আমাকে চিনছেন। আপনার ছবি, আমি কম্পিটিশন জিতছি, আর ওই কম্পিটিশন দিয়া আমি পর্তুগালও চলে গেছি, প্রাইজ আর একটা ক্যামেরা দিছি। আর আমি আসছি এখনো আপনার খুব অনেক ধন্যবাদ দিবার লেগে। আর বিদেশের মানুষ আপনারা দেখিয়া খুব খুশি হইব। আর বিদেশ মানুষরা এরা কইবেন কিচ্ছু কইতে চাননি?
আমরা কি জানবো, আমি এক মহাদেবের মন্দির লইয়া একটু সেবা দিই আমি আসি। আমি কিছু জানি না, আমি তাই নামের উপরে আমি চইলা আছি। আমার গুরুদেব শ্যামানন্দ স্বামী বিষ্ণুদ্বীপ ভৈরবের সেবা লইয়া আমি আছি। কোনোবাই সাধারণ বল কিছু জানি না, আছি শুধু 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 এই ভগবানের নামের উপরে আমি আছি। হর হর মহাদেব, হর হর মহাদেব, মা 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 দুর্গা, মা কালী, জানি না কিচ্ছু জানি না।
অনেক ধন্যবাদ। He's 70 years young, this gentleman, and may he live a long life. Thank you. Oh wow, that was absolutely amazing meeting Mr. Rashindo Das after all those years. So as we head back into the Habiganj markets, we have a soccer match going on in the street. We're watching the World Cup. It's South Korea against Uruguay, and Uruguay are ahead with 1 goal. Now we're going to take you deep into Chowdhury market, and I believe that this market operates till maybe around 10 or 11 p.m. 7 days a week, or maybe not, could be 6. And this must be the spice section and herbs, etc. And just on the outer side of the market, we have the rice section. All different grades of rice there. Now, I'm not a rice expert, but I'm sure that some of you will recognize the different varieties on show here. And this snack here is most popular in Bangladesh. Leaves you with a red mouth. They're betel nuts, which you traditionally have wrapped up in these leaves, which are pan, is a form of tobacco. So everything in moderation, as they say. So this gentleman is a friend of my cousin Fadi, who runs this rice store. Apna naam ki? Shafil Alam Ripon. Khub moja hoyse apnar loge dekha kortasi aske. Ar koita parben ni iti kijat saul? 29. So it's 29 in English. And this one?
This medium rice.
Medium rice. It's almost like Uncle Ben's, this stuff, brown rice. And this one is very fine. This is local rice. What's the name of it?
Shine. 16.
And this one?
This biryani pulao salt.
Oh, okay. I think I'm more familiar with this grade. That's the one I'd probably buy in Tesco. But it's all locally produced. Onik donyobad apna dukano Dhaka samra aska. Thank you. They fill this tom-tom up full of bananas. They'll go ripe in a hurry. Apna naam ki?
Amar naam Mohammad Daus Mia.
Khub khushi hoysi apnar shathe dekha korchi. Ar khola apne bala kore rakhen. So, stopping off for a bit of a snack to eat before it gets too late at Bismillah Cafe on Court Station Road. And we have a plate of samosas here. There's a half-eaten one because I almost forgot to vlog this. He distracted me. And then we have some shingara, which is basically the round version of samosas. So inside, there's vegetables in it. You have potatoes. Arki ase bitore. Arki halu. There's potatoes, onions, spices. That's what the boss is telling me. He's over there, and it's delicious. And shingara here. It's basically a round variant of the samosa. This one is more delicious. Definitely. There's chickpeas in it. If you see that, the little brown ball in it. So I'm going to leave you go. I'm going to finish enjoying the rest of this food. And it's washed down by their delicious cup of tea with no extra sugar added because they use condensed milk in it and that was already laden with sugar. Good morning. It's one of those rare occasions where you catch me this early in the day, and it's 16 minutes after 8 and we're heading back to Dhaka now after well over a week spent in Habiganj, and we're going to do it differently. We're going to catch the train from Shaistaganj. Trainta koita dashbo? Noita dui. Acha. So we're in the ticket office there, and the gentleman said that the train is due to arrive at 9:02, unless I misunderstood him then. So I'm going to show you around the station. This is what to expect if ever you're in Shaistaganj station. So this is a main line from Sylhet to Dhaka. So it looks pretty busy here this morning. Quite a few passengers who are expected to clamber onto the train. Also quite a few beggars around as well who were chancing their arm. So as soon as I arrived, they were surrounding the car, so be mindful of that. And checking out the platform on the other side of the tracks, you could just simply jump down and walk across, but there is a bridge up ahead, which is the safer option. And a few vendors offering street food and shoe shining. And over here, I can see samosas. A little cafe there as well, so you can have breakfast, lunch and possibly dinner. And a tuck shop here for snacks, and they have potato crackers, so this is a tuck shop of my liking. This is the entrance to Shaistaganj railway station, and I didn't get a chance to film this as I came in because I was dealing with bringing in all the luggage. So have a look, you have all the vehicles waiting for fares or possibly ready to drop off fares. And a big mural of the father of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and the irony is there was a poor person sleeping under him. While we have time, I just thought I'd cross over to the other side and show you what this bridge is like, as well as the quieter platform on the other side. So we're now on the other side of the railway station, going down the steps. And it looks like a goat about to jump onto the tracks. Yeah, it just has. So when the train comes in a few minutes, that goat is going to have to run for safety. So here's what it looks like from the other side. You can see all the hustle and bustle on the main platform a lot better now, in an alternate perspective. And this is the waiting room for first class, because we're travelling first class. And as I may have said before, I don't really like showing off doing things like this, but if it encourages others to do the same, then I'm all for it. So I hope that it can rub off on someone and you can make someone else's day. Onik dhonyabad, dua koren. And here it is, the 0905 train to Dhaka, and it's running about 4 minutes late. There's our luggage there. And my father, and Fahadi to the left, my cousin. So, got on board now. A bit of the queue has built up in front.